go! Hey guys, I'm Stephen Glass, co-founder of Paved to Pines. We're gonna show you around the shop a bit today. We're gonna introduce you to some of the boys, and of course we're gonna show off some of the builds we got going on. Game plan is hopefully an episode a week. Let's take you guys for a tour of the shop here. Got Mitchell at his desk, a couple crumbs everywhere, a couple crumbs over at mine. Give you a quick scan. And let's take you out to the shop here. We got doors. We got more finishing. What are we working on here? That's also a Ford Transit high roof, 148 extended. So we're coming in the back door here. This baby is getting the works. So uppers just went in today. We're gonna have full about 10.5 feet of hickory butcher block going in, and a little bit on this side. And this is Sleep Sideways flare space shout out. We've got bump outs on either side. Yeah. Shower here, cedar base, another one of our custom aluminum. Little sink system. We've got swivels up front. Bench seats going here. That actually turns into a little bed too. Probably more of a kid's bed or curled up on a tough night out. So this is getting a huge Volta system. Let's show it off here a bit. 13.4 kilowatts of battery storage going to be hanging out right there, and coupled with some solar and DC to DC charging when you drive. Behind me here is our charter build. So this thing is a massive 45-foot charter, and it's got the works. This charter build has probably the most intense utility systems we've ever done. Let's check those bad boys out right now. Okay, so you're looking at a propane system vented to the exterior. This is a completely heated bay. That's going to be your gray tank you're looking at there. What do we got over here? Got huge 100-gallon fresh tank. Again, another heated bay. We've got DC to DC charging. We've got a 500 amp lithium bank. Go Power 3000 watt pure sine inverters powering this system. In the back there, crawl in. We've got our Suburban furnace, 35,000 BTU to power up this huge unit. And then our water system back there.
Naturally.
Tell me about yourself.
Do I just say whatever?
Yeah. Let's start with your name.
Hello, I'm Mitchell Roscoe, co-founder of PAVED Pines.
Hi, I'm Cole Berge, work for PAVED Pines. I'm a carpenter by trade, master of some.
I'm Christian. I am a carpenter by trade. I do a lot of different things other than carpentry, but mostly here it's keeping things rolling smoothly and keeping the builds on time.
Hi, I'm Guy. I've been with PAVED Pines since middle of May. I'm a carpenter by trade, and I do lots of the carpentry work here.